like, think about Indonesia and maybe visiting or something, and like I'm realizing is like there's a really good chance just because I like Alip's guitar playing, there's a really good chance he wouldn't like me. He wouldn't like me. He wouldn't like me. He wouldn't like me. That I'm just some boring white, from the United States watching his videos. And yeah, I'd actually be a little frightened to meet him, not because of his guitar playing. His guitar playing is amazing, but the fact, like, on a human to human level, he just may like not care for me at all. You know what I mean? He may be like, okay, dude, you're over there making